What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Mike, living with 3M. You can tell, yeah, from my previous videos, my beard was down to about right there. Decided to change things up for springtime. So, and also, if you will notice in the background, I've made, this will be the third video regarding the wife's new to us Toyota 4Runner. And we're gonna put today's mod's gonna be about the sunroof scoop, and I reached out to Weathertech and got their sunroof scoop because Weathertech always makes good quality stuff. So I knew I could trust them, and I'll show you how to put that thing on. So even if you don't have a Toyota 4Runner, you just got another car, truck, whatever, it's got a sunroof, this should apply for really any make or model. So let's jump into it. All right, so come back here. We'll see. It's got all the hardware, everything with it. All right. Yeah, so it's not just a piece of plastic. It comes with the rubber surrounds, and all the hardware is over here in a bag. Maybe you can see it. Good instructions, and you can see it says WeatherTech right there. So yeah, all right, we'll get to installing this thing. I guess the first thing would be on your sunroof is to retract it or let it back. Okay, so turn that radio off before I get copyright. All right, so you can see that's up. So now we will set the scoop on top. Okay, and before I set the scoop up there, it says, well, it does say to set it up there on part 1, which I haven't done yet, but I can go do that. Part 2 was interesting to me. Assemble the magic clip by sliding the cone nuts into the flat end of the clip as shown. And I just did this one. Oh, the wind's blowing, I'm sorry guys. So, man, it's struggling out here without my tripod. So I apologize for that. All right, but basically you will take this and you will slide that on there, and that will give you that. And then this is gonna go up under the sunroof and basically use these screws right here. It's gonna screw the scoop to the it's gonna hold it to the roof. It's not gonna screw it to the roof. It's gonna hold it with these, looks like a U-clamp. So that's what will hold it. So, okay, all right, it's pretty self-explanatory. You've got 2 holes, 1 on each side. So you'll position this back here. This is the factory, I don't know what you would call it. It closes, it pushes down when it closes. So basically when I push down, see this right here, this little lip? Be careful, that is kind of sharp, but that metal edge, this is what you're going to use, just like that. All right. And that's how it'll go. So we'll slide the sunroof back over that, holding it up with 2 hands, put the screw down through the top with the washer, and there's the screwdriver you'll use just like that. Okay guys, after about 3 days, I started this video and we started working on installing, which is basically those clips and those screws and some washers. And all that screw does is go down in that top part and it hooks like a C-clamp up under that painted white molding. Well, I don't know if I just wasn't holding my mouth right or whatever, but dear God in heaven, every time I would get this side halfway down, just barely, it's like the screw was a 1/4 inch too short, this side would pop up. And it has been frustrating. You can see me in the rearview mirror. I was just at the point I just did not give a damn. I was about to just staple it to the roof or call WeatherTech and ship it back to them and just, you know, set it on fire before I put it in a box. I was that frustrated. And I was making a video for you guys to say, oh man, just pop this on, this is great. No, it's not. I mean, it was a tough fitting mod. And you do not need to do, even though it's only 2 screws and 2 C brackets, you work on one side, the other side is not the same. Basically, you need 2 people to line this thing up and get it straight and push down on the top. I know it's plexiglass, it feels like it's gonna pop, that's how tight it was, but that's the WeatherTech consultant I talked to said, and my phone's about to die. So anyhow, par for the course, guys. Got it finished up tonight. After blood, sweat, and tears, we finally got this thing, and the wife is happy. So that is the Sunroof scoop. Yeah, let me tell you, it has been no picnic with this $80 mod. Sunroof scoop looks nice. I'm glad that it's finished and she's happy. It looks great, but the install was a total pain in the ass. And I just am gonna tell you, if you're doing this in your driveway, make sure that you have someone. It'd be nice to have 3 people. And the reason I say 3, 1 on each side with a little step stool where you can reach the top, and 1 person sitting in here doing what, I know I'm reaching the back where you can see, but the front, the little wind visor that's factory, it goes up and down, it's spring loaded. To have someone in here pull that down while you're fumbling with the clips, because 2 or 3 times it smashed my fingers and I was about to play cuss and throw the whole damn thing out in the yard. As you can tell, I'm frustrated tonight, but it's finished, it's done, it's good, looks great. So give it a thumbs up for the look and the fit and the finish, not the fit. Fit was just terrible. But anyway, if you guys want information on doing it yourself, don't contact me. I'm telling you, WeatherTech, they could tell I was frustrated. So anyway, guys, that is our mod. To hell and be damned with it. But that was our mod, and it's done. I'm done. Catch you in the next video.